Welcome to the 9th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Instructions Level 2. Today, we will take a look at tool combinations. The first example involves cables and transfers on a single jersey base. This is the front panel with transfers outwards and 2x2 cables on both sides, with back stitch arrangements adjacent to the cables. In the back panel, there are transfers from both sides towards the center, with cable and back stitches combo on the sides. Let's start from a plain panel at export. First, click on File, click Properties. Increase the image height to make space for creating a knit structure pattern below the panel piece. We could use the blank space below as draft. Draw a single jersey rectangle that matches the stitch and row numbers in the knit spec. Starting with 2 back stitches, then 2x2 cable, which means 4 stitches, followed by 1 back stitch, then 33 stitches of single jersey, plus 1 extra stitch for filling up, resulting in 41 stitches on one side. There are 163 revolutions below armscye, meaning 326 rows. Copy the back stitches vertically to the top. Draw a 2x2 cable and copy it every 7 revolutions. Start with 1 revolution, then add 1 stitch every 1 revolution, repeat 1 time, add 1 stitch every 2 revolutions, repeating 8 times, the 2 additions as a whole repeat 9 times. Followed by add 1 stitch every 2 revolutions, repeating 4 times. Knit 2 revolutions after the transfers. Draw the transfer according to the instructions on the knit spec. Both cables and transfers are repeated in even number of rows. It is better to avoid overlapping. For easier knitting, we offset the cables 1 row upwards. Draw the edge stitches on the right side of the image as shown below. We will draw the transfer repeat on the right side of the rectangle. After completion, select the transfer section. Click Change Color tool. Change the front stitch's color to background color 0, then copy. Toggle on transparent mode, paste it over the cables and back stitches combo. You can press F3 to toggle the origin of the selected area. After getting the pattern ready, we proceed to the left side of the front panel. Select the area from the arm side bottom to the start of bodice. Remember to leave 2 empty stitches on the left side. Click Knit tool on the top menu. Move stitches to the leftmost. Select the pattern, repeat again. Copy and paste it to the left side of front panel. Select the area from the arm side bottom to the start of bodice again. Click Knit tool on the top menu. Move stitches to the rightmost. This completes the filling of the main pattern. Select a small repeat of the transfer, in this case, a 2 stitches x 4 rows repeat. Click Offset Copy under Copy tool. Set the offset to 1 stitch to left and 4 rows upwards. Click on the canvas to start offset copy. Copy till you reach the top. Draw the transfers to reach the edge of the panel, leaving stitches at edge for easier linking. Now we complete the filling on the left side. Let's copy the left side to the right side. Select the left side. Use the copy tool. Mirror copy to the right. Use F3 to toggle the origin to the bottom left and paste it at the correct spot. Select the entire panel. Use the Clear tool to clear the area outside the selected area. We have finished the pattern drawing on the front panel. Let's move on to the back panel. Select the left side from the start of bodice to bottom of arm side. Click Knit tool on the top menu. Move stitches to the leftmost. We will create the pattern as stated in the knit spec, starting with 1 back stitches, 2 front stitch, 1 back stitch, then 2 by 2 cable, followed by 1 back stitch, then 13 stitches of single jersey, plus 1 extra stitch for filling up, resulting in 23 stitches on one side. Use Change Color tool. Select Change Pattern. Select from the canvas 32 stitches, plus 1 empty stitch on the leftmost, totaling 33 stitches. In the Change Pattern pop-up window, under 2, draw the stitches transfer symbol. Under Knit tool, select Change Edge Stitch, then turn leftmost 1 stitch to back stitch. Select the first row of the bodice again and use the Change Pattern tool to draw the pattern. We use a different color here for easier differentiation. Then we will draw the cable repeat. The first cable is shifted 1 row up for easier knitting to avoid clashing with the transfers. Like the front panel, perform a cable twist every 14 rows, 7 revolutions. Select 1 repeat and use Repeat tool to expand the cable repeat till the bottom of arm side. Toggle on transparent mode, then copy the cable repeats onto the designated location. Click Knit tool on the top menu. Move stitches to the rightmost. Mirror copy the pattern to the right side. Clear the draft cable repeat on the side. This completes the entire filling process. This marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.